It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, January 17th. I'm Michael Groff. Pretty quiet conditions around here for the next couple of days, and then the weather turns cooler and more unsettled with the first of three weather systems due in here on Thursday, a follow-up system Friday and early Saturday, and yet another system perhaps late Monday and into Tuesday of next week. So a lot to discuss. Let's get out there and look at it this morning. Just partly cloudy skies here in the valley at 5:30 a.m. Currently sitting at 47 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 42, relative humidity 83%. The winds are calm, the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning with the less cloud cover. We were able to cool off just a bit. Still readings a tad above normal, mostly in the 40s, a few upper 30s in spots. Partly cloudy skies here across south central Arizona, and those clouds are on their way out of here. Should be a pretty nice day overall. On the watch warning map, winter storm warnings, freezing rain, ice storm conditions in parts of the Pacific Northwest. Winter weather advisories in southern Minnesota back toward Milwaukee today. And freezing rain, a big problem in upstate New York this morning. Dense fog elsewhere around Chicago and in parts of the southeast, the Carolinas, and Georgia. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe weather today for places like Corpus Christi, Laredo, and Houston. And as far as our weather, let's talk about it in more detail. We'll look at the models and see what's happening. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. That pesky upper low continues to spin over the southwest, but we're on the western side of it. So generally speaking, northerly flow here in the valley today. Partly cloudy skies at times. Should be pretty nice, though. High temps mainly in the mid-60s. Tonight, we're mostly clear. We're pleasant. I would say temps actually fairly close to normal, upper 30s to mid 40s. And then tomorrow, we're actually mostly sunny. That's something we haven't seen too much of lately. High temperatures mid to upper 60s. Then we'll start to see the clouds increase as we head into Thursday, as the first of a series of Pacific storm systems begins to head into the southwest. Rain will slowly increase in southeast California and western Arizona. This system is actually looking a little bit more potent than what was advertised yesterday. So we might see a little bit more rain out of it. And a chance of showers will come in here late Thursday afternoon, probably about a 30% chance. That will increase to around a 50% chance Thursday night and early Friday. And then that system will quickly exit out of here. That first system should produce anywhere from about a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch of rain. Higher amounts, of course, in the favored upslope areas north and east of Phoenix. Then on Friday, the second and much stronger and colder system begins to affect the area. This is Friday afternoon at 5 o'clock, and rain will start to come in. Deep southwesterly flow will promote upslope winds again, and so more rain for the mountains north and east of Phoenix could start to get heavy by late in the day Friday and Friday night. The cold front will be over Southern California at that point. As that transitions east across the state Friday night and Saturday morning, we'll see pretty good lift. We'll have good forcing, good dynamics here. So we'll see periods of rain, locally heavy at times, and it will get breezy, maybe even locally windy Friday night too, with wind gusts around here in the valley, I'd say around 20 to 25, but higher gusts possible, especially, again, in the favored areas, the passes, the mountains, of course, in northern Arizona. Then on Saturday, that system moves out of here. The rain should be ending by midday Saturday. We'll start to see partly cloudy skies after that. High temps both days, Friday and Saturday, only in the mid to upper 50s. Sunday, a shortwave ridge builds in. Should be a pretty nice day. Mostly sunny skies and high temperatures getting back towards 60. Then Monday, the next system begins to head our way. I think most of the day Monday, we just see increasing clouds. Probably not going to see any rain. The latest operational runs of the European and GFS, a little bit out of sync here, but the idea is to hold off this system until late Monday night and into Tuesday morning. This is a week from today, Tuesday, the 24th of January. This is 5 a.m. Tuesday, more specifically. That next system comes in here. It's a pretty cold system, too, but the dynamics, most of those, I think, are a little bit further to the north. We have a pretty good chance of rain still if this verifies, but there's still some question marks with this system. High temperatures on Tuesday should mainly be in the low to middle 50s. This does look like a pretty cold system. And if this verifies as advertised, most of the rain will be wrapping up, at least here in the valley, by Tuesday afternoon. Then this is Wednesday, the 25th. The system is out of here. It's all the way out in the plains. We are under dry northerly flow. Cool weather. Could be a pretty chilly start to the day next Wednesday morning with lows down in the 30s to low 40s. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Thursday, the 26th of January, ridging building back in here to the southwest, and we'd have temperatures warming up back into the low 60s. All right, how much rainfall are we going to get out of all of this? That's a good question. And the latest run of the GFS suggests, wow, anywhere from about 1.25 inches to nearly 2 inches in some spots. Now, the 2-inch values would be in the favored upslope areas toward Carefree, Cave Creek, the mountains just to the north and east of Phoenix, higher elevations, and of course up along the rim. Look at those numbers. Values getting up to 3 and 4 inches or more in a few locations. So this could be a pretty significant rainfall event between Thursday night and Saturday, and then again, the possibility of more rain next Monday night and Tuesday. Temperatures through the period, we'll pull these off the European ensemble. Looking pretty nice today, tomorrow, and then cooling off a bit. And I think temperatures, the high temps may actually be a little bit warmer than this today and tomorrow. And obviously those low temperatures, you know how the European ensemble works here. They might be just a little too low, but overall, we'll stay below normal through much of the forecast period. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Tuesday.